Hello and welcome. Let's load a PinePhone OS from SD card. As we can see, we've currently got Ubuntu Touch running on this PinePhone, which is not surprising because it is a UbiPorts version. At first, let's shut it down. Now let's open the PinePhone. We remove the battery, and on the right above the battery compartment we see slots for the SD card and the SIM card. We put the SD card with an installed operating system of our choice in the top slot. We put the battery back in and start the PinePhone. As we can see, we are booting a totally different PinePhone operating system. In this case, it's Banjaro Fosh Edition.